Okay, let's start the topic present perfect continuous tense and its uses. It is used to express an action started in the past and still continuing. Means it denotes an action which was started in the past and the action was still continuing. Okay, subject plus have or has been plus V1 inform plus object. Let's see some sentences. I have been waiting for the doctor for 2 hours. Okay, means here the waiting of the doctor, the action of waiting for the doctor started in the past and it is still continuing. He has been reading English newspaper since he was a child. Okay, from childhood he had a habit of reading newspaper. Okay, and it is continuing till now. I have been working in this organization since 2018. Means the working in this organization, this work has started in the past and it is still continuing. We have been learning French for a long time. Corona has been spreading all over the world since December. Okay, here in these sentences, if we observe, we use the time expressions since and for. Since is used to show the point of time and for is used to show period of time. Okay, we can also use some time expressions like since, for, whole, throughout, all day, all night, and so on in this present perfect continuous tense. Here, this V1 ing form refers to the continuity of the action. Okay, earlier in present continuous tense also we have observed the V1 ing form is am or plus V1 ing form. There also V1 ing form it refers to the continuity of the action. We can also call it as present perfect continuous tense or present perfect progressive tense. Okay. Let's see other uses of present perfect continuous tense. We use present perfect continuous tense to talk about a recent continuous activity when we can see the result. Let's understand with some examples. Veni is annoyed because she has been waiting for a long time for Ron. She is tired because she has been working very hard. The ground is wet because it has been raining all the day. Her eyes are red because she has been crying all night. Here, in all these sentences, the present perfect continuous tense shows about the result. Okay, that's why we can use this tense in all these sentences. The words all day, all morning, all night, these words do not take preposition for. Means we cannot use this preposition for after these words when we use in the sentences. We use present perfect continuous tense with the adverbs lately and recently to talk about new developments which are temporary. Okay, means here we use present perfect continuous tense to talk about the developments which are temporary. Okay, those actions are temporary. They may not be permanent. In this context, we can use present perfect continuous tense. Let's see some examples. We have been practicing English classes recently. Okay, here we cultivated the habit of practicing English recently. Maybe it is not permanent. We are not sure will continue in future or not. In that case we can use present perfect continuous tense. She has been spending much money on clothes lately. Okay, recently she has been spending much money on clothes because maybe she got any job, otherwise she has more money with her. Okay, in that case she has been spending. Maybe it won't continue in future. Okay, In that case, we can use present perfect continuous tense. He has been working in Amazon recently. Okay, these all in all these sentences, it show that the action is temporary. Okay, it is also used to express things that are annoying. Present perfect continuous tense, we can also use this tense to express the things that are annoying. Let's see some examples. I have been sweeping the floor all day. They have been listening loud music all night. These are the annoying things, listening the music, loud music all night and sweeping the floor whole day, all day. These are very annoying. For saying that annoying habits, annoying things, we can use present perfect continuous tense. It is also used to express for things that happen in the past, but it is not important when they happened. Okay, the present perfect continuous tense is also used to express the things happened in the past. Means it is used to express the past actions, but the emphasis is not on when they happened. Let's see sentences. She has been visiting Tirupati a lot. They have been traveling to tourist places frequently. Here there is no exact time. Okay, means stress is not on the time expression. How to frame affirmative and negative sentences by using present perfect continuous tense. Okay, here we follow the structure: subject plus have or has been plus V1 ing form plus object. Okay, for I, we, you, they, we use have. For he, she, it, we use has. Let's see some examples. I have been listening to online classes. We have been listening to online classes. You have been listening to online classes. They have been listening to online classes. For she, he, it, we use has been. That's why he has been listening to online classes. Okay, she, it also follows the same. Next one, negative sentences. For negative sentences, we have the structure: subject plus have or has not been plus V1 ing form plus object. For I, we, you, they have. For he, she, it has. I have not been listening to online classes. We have not been listening to online classes. In that way, we can frame for you and they also. The next one, he has not been listening to online classes. Next, we'll see how to frame interrogative sentences in present perfect continuous tense. Okay, let us see how to frame interrogative sentence. For framing interrogative sentence, first of all, we use the helping verb have or has, then subject, been, then V1 ing form plus object. Have I been listening to online classes? Have we been listening to online classes? Have you been listening to online classes? Have they been listening to online classes? Okay, for he, she, it, we use has. That's why has he been listening to online classes? Has she been listening to online classes? Has it been listening to online classes? In this way, we can frame interrogative sentence in the present perfect continuous tense. I hope you understood how to frame different type of sentences by using present perfect continuous tense. Okay, till now we have completed present tense, different forms of present tense. Okay, now we will see a small exercise on it. Every morning she dash up early and gets ready for work. Okay, wake is the verb given here in the brackets. This is the regular activity, habitual action. That's why we can say every morning she wakes up early and gets ready for work. The verb is third person singular, that's why we add s to the subject is third person singular, that's why we add s to the verb wakes up. The sun dash in the east, the sun rises in the east. It is also, we can say in simple present. Why? Because it is a universal truth. I dash for my friend for 2 hours. I have been waiting for my friend for 2 hours, because the waiting, the action of waiting started in the past and it is still continuing. That's why we say it in present perfect continuous. Vishnu's mother works in office. This we can say in simple present, as it is a daily activity. Lakshmi has been playing badminton since primary school. It is in present perfect continuous. Why? The action of playing badminton started in primary school and still it is continuing. Be patient. The circus starts in a few minutes time. Here it is in simple present. Sita is not in. She is attending a seminar. Okay, it is in present continuous. What is the structure? Subject plus is, am, or plus V1 ing form plus object. She is attending. Here she, third person singular. That's why we can use the helping verb is. The delivery man dash the parcel already. Here the time expression already is used. That's why we can say it in present perfect tense. The delivery man has delivered the parcel already. Ramya has been cleaning her room for the past 2 hours. The action started and it is continuing still. That's why we can say it in present perfect continuous tense. I want to get a ticket for the movie. I hope you understood the topic present tense and its forms in a very clear manner. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe it. For further notifications, tap the bell icon. Okay. In the next video, we will meet with the past tense. Thank you.